worked with Guardian twice now in the past 2 years. We've been very unfortunate to have our house hit by a tree twice, two different storms. Guardian was great on both occasions. We worked with our salesperson, Ron, came out and walked us through kind of what our options were. Both times he was excellent at working with our insurance company to make sure they understood the scope of the problem and why, in both cases, we needed significant portions of our metal roof to get replaced. Once all that got approved, the team from Guardian came out fairly quickly, very efficient and helpful with everything. And the thing that I really appreciated about the experience with Guardian was if we had a problem with something, they were really great at fixing it. Great experience. And I've recommended Guardian to others before, and I'd recommend them again. The most important thing for us was working with someone who would get the job done, and there'd be no drama. And that was been our experience with Guardian. So good we used them twice.